welcome back to Watson
BFS, and I'm as scared as I'll ever be. Sorry, we just got home from school, that's why I'm scared.
and here is all the snow that we got.
Yeah, we got a lot of snow. One time we even got more. It's like this high. And I could barely even touch my toes because I was in a snowsuit. So yeah, but
It's not actually that cold
it's
right
not
now.
that cold.
Oh, jeez! All over my hand.
I got it all over my
Wait,
hands
hold
to
this.
throw it.
Let me show them a real one. What real snow looks like. Do it.
Oh, jeez, right on my hands. Woo, that was cold. Don't you think? That is cold. Very cold.
See how flaky this is, guys?
It's very fluid. And it's very pretty.
Do you see like there's sparks that's shiny? It's really nice. But we're gonna go on the trampoline.
And I'm gonna do a front flip in the snow. Cause, oh jeez, not, it went in my shirt. Oh, that's cold. Look at the icicle.
Oh, can I break it?
Look at that. This is like the big, I'm gonna have a unicorn.
I'm trying to get this icicle off. There we go. I got this.
Mic drop. Okay, now I'm
But now we're gonna get on the tram. I'm about to do my seat drop.
I'm freezing, so I'm gonna go in the house and Lucy's gonna do the other.
Thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you guys next time. Woo!